Hello everyone, welcome to our physics course. Today we're going to begin a fascinating journey, a journey to understand the world around us. Have you ever wondered why an apple falls from the tree in downward direction only? It doesn't go upward. You will say that it is due to gravity, and it happens because gravitational force is acting on that apple in downward direction. But why only downward direction? And what are other forces which are acting on that apple? Is it only the gravitational force? No. We will know about it completely if we will learn physics. Uh, if we see around us, then we see light, we see a bulb. So how do we switch on bulb? We just click on a switchboard and bulb glows. Why does it glow? The bulb glows due to current in the circuit. These things we know. But why this current makes this bulb glow? So these types of question which when comes in our mind, then we need physics, because all these questions and many more are answered by physics. So physics is the science that studies matter, energy, space and time, and how they interact. In simple words, physics is about understanding how the universe works. Like if we talk about the sun and our planet Earth, then Earth is revolving around the sun like this in this orbit, but it never falls to the sun. Otherwise, we will be gone. So, from the tiniest atom to the largest galaxies, physics connects everything. Like in current, it is due to electron, and electron is the subatomic particle. It means we all of us are made up of atom, and electron is found inside the atom. So we learn about the electrons also, we learn about the galaxies also. So from the smallest to largest. Without physics, we wouldn't have mobile phones in our home, cars, electricity, satellite, or even the internet which we are using right now. So when you talk, when you walk, when you drive, when you cook, or even breathe, physics is silently working behind the scene. Even if you are sitting right now, physics is working behind that situation. So physics is not just a subject in textbooks. It's a part of your everyday life, right? So to make things easier, if we have to learn physics, if you have to understand it, what we have to do? We just have to divide it in different branches. Let's say if we learn about all those basic rules, all those basic physics, we will learn about it in classical physics. What it deals? It deals with motion, like the gravity. It deals with heat. We will learn what in thermodynamics. It deals with sound, which we are right now listening. Light, electricity, magnetism, all of it. So all the basics, all the basics. If we will go to the advanced concepts, then that can be explained with the modern physics. What are the advanced concepts? Advanced concepts like relativity, quantum mechanics, nuclear physics. So from basics to advanced, we will learn. And in third part, we will learn about applied physics. Okay, so applied physics deals with this advanced concept and this basic concept in real world applications like space science, electronics, nanotechnology, etc. So before diving deep into these concepts, let's recall some basic rules, some basic concepts. Let's see. What's a matter? A matter is something which have some mass and which occupies some space. For example, this pen. This pen occupies space, it has some mass, or anything which you see around you which have some mass or occupies space is called matter. Alright? So we will deal with these matters. These are physical bodies. Right? We'll apply some force on it. What's a force? A push or pull, anything applying on an object which changes its state of rest or motion. All right. So if we apply some force, we do some work. If we change, if we apply some force and there is some displacement, we'll learn about it and more concepts, everything from basics. We are just gathering informations. All right. Let's talk about speed and velocity. So speed is something, some quantity, physical quantity, which explains how fast any object is moving. And velocity explains that how fast anything moving and in which direction it is moving. In which direction it is moving. So it's the basic difference between speed and velocity. Speed only tells about the quantity and velocity tells about the speed plus the direction, which direction something is moving. So in physics, we don't just believe on something, we don't just memorize, we prove it, we ask questions about it, we observe, we create experiments, and then we form some laws and theories. All right, so these are just small concepts. All right, like let's say how Newton have thought about the gravity. He saw an falling apple, he asked question about it, he performed some experiments, then he came up to an idea that there may be something which is called gravity, which we are saying right now, which we understand for now, and that causes the apple to fall. So instead of memorizing formulas, we have to ask questions, we have to explore, we have to think logically. So every great scientist from Galileo to Einstein started by asking simple questions about the world around them. So if you are having any doubt in your mind, you are on the right track. All right, you are thinking scientifically. It's not the same. So in this course, we will start from the basics and slowly build up and advance ideas. We'll solve all those questions which are coming to your mind. You just have to comment down it. All right. By the end, you will see the world with new eyes. Every falling leaf, every moving car, every shining star will make a sense in whole new way. Right? So a big welcome once again in our world of physics. Let's begin our journey of discovery together. Welcome you all.